BECE, 1998, Section B, Question 1. 1a. Simplify the expression, 3x squared, plus, 6xy, minus, 3y squared, plus, 4x squared, plus, 8xy, plus, 2y squared. 1b. I. Solve 3x, minus, 9, is greater than or equal to, 12 opening round bracket, x, minus, 3, closing round bracket. I. Illustrate your answer on the number line. 1c. If p equals to 7, a equals to 16, b equals to 4, and c equals to 3, evaluate p squared, minus, a minus b, into brackets, divided by c. BECE, 1998, Section B, Question 2. 2a. Using a ruler and a pair of compasses only, I. Construct a triangle PQR such that PQ equals to 8 cm, angle RPQ equals to 90 degrees, and angle PQR equals to 30 degrees. Measure RQ. 2a Subquestion I. Construct the perpendicular bisector mediator of RQ. Let it meet RQ at L. 2b. With O as center and radius OP, draw a circle. Measure OP. 2c. What is the special name for the chord RQ? BECE, 1998, Section B, Question 3. 3a. A man traveled from Bakwa to Pabam. The distance between the two towns is 510 kilometers. At Pabam he covered additional 40 kilometers on official duties. He returned to Bakwa the next day. I. Find the total distance covered by the man. 3a Subquestion I. If the car used 1 liter of petrol to cover 20 kilometers, find the amount of petrol used for the whole journey. 3a Subquestion I. If a liter of petrol cost 522 cedis, calculate the total cost of petrol used for the whole journey. 3b. A woman sold an article for 200,000 cedis. She made a profit of 25%. Find the cost price of the article. BECE, 1998, Section B, Question 4. 4a. The pie chart shows angles representing the number of candidates who applied for admission into 4 programs, at a senior secondary school. The number of pupils who applied were 1,080. Find, I. The angle x degrees representing the vocational program. 4a Subquestion I. The number of candidates who applied for business program. 4a Subquestion I. Correct to the nearest whole number the percentage of the number of applicants who applied for general program. 4b. The data below shows the distribution of the masses of pupils in a school. On a graph paper, draw a bar chart for the distribution. The masses in kilogram are 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. And their corresponding frequencies are 5, 9, 19, 25, 18, and 4. BECE, 1998, Section B, Question 5. 5a. Using a scale of 2 cm to 2 units on both axes, draw 2 perpendicular axes OX and OY on a graph sheet. On the same graph sheet, mark the x-axis from -8 to 8, and the y-axis from -8 to 8. 5a. Plot P, with coordinates, -2, 3, and Q, with coordinates, 6, 4. Join PQ. 5a Subquestion I. Draw the image P1, Q1, of PQ, under an anti-clockwise rotation through 90 degrees about the origin, where P maps into P1 and Q maps into Q1. Indicate clearly all the coordinates. 5a Subquestion I. Draw the image P2, Q2, of PQ, under a clockwise rotation through 90 degrees about the origin, where P maps into P2, and Q maps into Q2. Indicate clearly all the coordinates. 5b. The base radius of a closed cylinder is 4 meters. The height of the cylinder is 7 meters. Calculate its total surface area. Take pi, equal to 22/7.